Welcome back to New England Crypto. In today's video, we are assembling the Kuman 7-inch LCD display monitor along with the Kuman 7-inch case holder. Here's a quick look at the frame for the case. It comes very well protected, very well packaged, and you have to peel these little squiggles off. Peeling these protective layers off can be somewhat tedious, but it's also very satisfying. It's when the dang things keep tearing that it's an issue. Just have to remember to take your time, try not to get too frustrated, you'll get it done just like I did. And for anyone who's interested, links to the products in this video will be in the description below, so feel free to check those out as well. Yes, the last piece. And beautiful. These two pieces matching up properly is critical because of the gold power ribbon wire on the bottom of the monitor. Right here. There's that power ribbon again, nice and safe. And this is the pull tab for the screen protector that comes on the monitor. Be sure not to hide that inside of the case so that you have access to it. I would wait until assembly is complete before removing it so you don't get fingerprints over everything. And here are the two backplate pieces. And here's one of the stand legs that secures to the bottom of the frame with the supplied bolts and nuts. My big broken hands are not great for things like this with little nuts and bolts, but we've been putting a lot on Mrs. New England Crypto lately, so here I am, taking my time and getting it done. And on to the second one. Grab the super necessary mini screwdriver. Tighten things up a little at a time. You don't need to torque things down. We're not working on a dirt bike here. You may need to grab a small wrench or a small pair of pliers to hold the nut on the back while tightening the bolt with the screwdriver from the front. Nice and secure, that'll work. Now time for the display. Here's the HDMI input, power connection, and the second power connection is for touchscreen only. Make sure that the back plates line up properly as to not cover the HDMI port or the power connections. Rest the screen and its frame into the back plate. Now to secure it all with bolts through the front frame, monitor, and back plate. Time for the awesome mini screwdriver again. Wipe her down quick with a clean microfiber cloth. Now for my favorite part, peeling off the screen protector. Oh yeah, beautiful. Let's take a better look.